Welcome back to the channel. We have an ice machine, and on this one here, discovered there's no strap and or rear blade. Look what I found. So it was stuffed inside the tank here. So I haven't turned it on yet. We're just gonna do some other inspection here. Now, this is your clean out cap, okay? And it needs to come out and be checked every day after use. So it looks like we got a bunch of debris stuck in here. That has to be cleaned out. A lot of this is probably because they may or may not be doing a dust mop before cleaning. So, don't know about that. So, I also checked the gasket here for the lid. Feels like it's in good shape. Now, here's another issue right here. The knob here is broken and it's seized up. That happens from just a lot of water exposure, okay? Now, another thing we're gonna check here is the brush, and it appears to be in good shape here. And plus, we have the bumper brush as well. That's in decent shape. Now, go ahead and power it on. Looks like we got a full charge. Motor sounds good. So, not gonna see much water, if any, because it's been emptied out. Now, another thing, over time, if they leave chemical in here, it's gonna cause discoloration to the sight tube, so they won't know how much water they're putting in the machine. We don't want it to go any further than that. So if the plastic or the polyurethane happens to start getting more and more opaque, they'll end up overfilling this. So let's catch this while we can, get this replaced. So, also with that said, let's check the vacuum motor. Just want to pull up on this lid. It should be tight. That means we have good water lift initially. And then we check. So the water lift is limited because we got that problem up at the top where that clean out is. So that's an issue. So other than that, those are only the few things. What I'm gonna try to do right now is repair this. I'm gonna flatten it out so we can at least make this operational for now. But the only other thing that I see that might be missing is the other end of the squeegee. The squeegee hook. I can't find it. It's not in the tank. Okay, well, we won't be able to do it. But in the meantime, we'll get some of this garbage out. But hopefully the customer can see this in the video so they can probably address it, hopefully. And then I'm gonna try to find there's a silicone cap that comes off a lot easier. This one can become brittle over time and break. So unfortunately, right now we're missing the part to the squeegee. There's another piece that locks in to the end. So we're at the mercy of ordering the part. So apologize for that. So at least we can get this straightened out for the time being and then submit the quote.